Hello to all my friends out there. Okay, lots of meal plans have been made. Lots of $5 for 3 days food has been bought. And there's food in the stockpile. And so now life is easy. All I have to do now is just cook up the food. Very easy. Okay, so what I have in my glass is partially frozen mint tea. This is good like this. It's nice and cold and it's a very cheap beverage. So now let's see what happened tonight. Plans are made to be changed. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, yummy. This is baked chicken in wing sauce. And what is so good about this recipe is that you can just bake it in the oven, cover it with the wing sauce, and bake it in the oven. And it's really good. The only trick to baked chicken is don't be in a big fat hurry. What you want to do is you want to cook it until it's practically falling off the bone. And that is easy to do if you don't hurry, because it will just fall off the bone. And this wing sauce is really, really good if you want to put a little bit on the top. If you tip it, most of the fat will roll to the one side of the pan, and then you can put some good wing sauce on your chicken. Yummy. Okay. So you just put your chicken in a pan, and I bought the chicken really cheap, marked down. Chicken, they say if you don't want to run out of food, buy chicken, beans, and rice. I think that's pretty much true. This is the wing sauce. It's everything most people already have. And this kind of chicken is really, really good if you put black pepper on it. Okay, now what? Now I made yummy. $1/2 pizza, so 50 cents worth of pizza. I bought this at Walmart. So this is a really good meal, but it's not expensive, and everything is good left over. So if you make a little too much, that's fine. You can just eat it later. And so when you were, I was going to make potato salad, but I thought it's TGIF. If I got it done in time, it would have been TGIF. Okay, now, yummy. So the thing that is so great about this meal, and it's going to be the same thing that's going to be great about some of these meals I'm going to be doing, is they're really yummy, but they don't cost much. So what I like to put on my pizza is a little, just like I was going to go out, a little ranch dressing, just a little bit, not too much. I want to enjoy life. And I keep several of these in the freezer. So I have this, I buy these at the dollar store. I don't pay much for them. Yummy. All right, so now let me taste this chicken and I will tell you. I can tell you it's delicious. I've made it a zillion times. This is a good one if you have chicken wings. But chicken wings, see how my chicken is falling off the bone? Chicken wings cost more than chicken legs. And a chicken is a chicken. This chicken was so dirt cheap. It was 89 cents a pound. See how it's falling off the bone? It was 89 cents a pound, and I got it marked down $1. If you stockpile a couple of these in the freezer, you can use them instead of bread. Kids would like this. 50 cents is a lot cheaper than Little Caesars. I find this to be acceptable. So you want to find cheap alternatives and yummy meals, and God bless you all.